In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add contacts in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're managing your email marketing or organizing your CRM, knowing how to add contacts manually can be a real time saver. So, let's dive right in. First, open your ActiveCampaign account and take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to want to locate the Contacts tab. This section is your main hub for managing all your contacts and customer interactions. It's crucial because the way you organize and input data here can make a big difference in your marketing and communication strategies. Once you've found the Contacts tab, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a new page dedicated to all of your current contacts. Now, if you look over to the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Add a Contact. This button is your go-to for adding new individual contacts to your system, whether it's adding a new customer, updating your organization's contact list, or simply keeping your database clean and up to date. Clicking on Add a Contact will open a form where you can manually input all of the relevant information regarding the new contact you'd like to add. Here, you'll see fields for the first name, last name, email, phone number, and account details. Each of these fields is important to fill out, as they allow you to identify and categorize your contacts in different ways. When entering this information, make sure you do so carefully and accurately. Typing errors or missing details can lead to confusion or miscommunication down the line. For instance, an incorrect email could mean your messages fail to reach your intended recipient. Similarly, having a contact's phone number on hand is beneficial should you need to reach them directly. All these details combined allow you to tailor your interactions and communications precisely to each contact, fostering more personalized and effective marketing efforts. And just like that, once you have entered and checked all the details, you're ready to save. The system processes this information and adds the new contact to your list immediately. It's as simple as that. You now have an updated contact within ActiveCampaign, ready for future engagement. As you can see, manually adding contacts is a straightforward process, but taking the time to do it correctly ensures that your communications are efficient and that your marketing strategies are well implemented. This method gives you full control over who enters your contact list and what information is stored, allowing you to maintain a clean and organized database. There you have it. That's all you need for manually adding a contact in ActiveCampaign. Keeping your contact list updated benefits your marketing strategies and improves overall communication with your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks.